Once upon a time, not too far from now, there lived two brothers. The elder, Nolbu, was wealthy but full of greed. The younger, Heungbu, was poor, yet his heart was kind. One day, Heungbu went to his brother's house, hoping to feed his hungry children.
Sister-in-law, my children are starving. Could you please spare us a little rice?
But Nolbu's wife had set a cruel trap. She placed a bucket of water above the door. And the moment Heungbu opened it, splash! Poor Heungbu was soaked from head to toe.
Oh, it's not rice, but you gave me water instead.
No free meals here. Next time, bring your own towel.
A few days later, a small delivery drone crashed in front of Heungbu's rooftop home.
Oh dear. This drone is broken. Poor thing.
Kind-hearted Heungbu repaired it with tape and small parts. Days later, the drone returned, carrying a glowing digital seed.
A seed. Well, let's try planting it.
From the seed grew a shining digital tree. Suddenly, bags of rice, gold, and even electronics poured into Heungbu's home.
Darling, we can finally live without worry.
All thanks to this little drone. What a blessing.
When Nolbu heard the news, his greed took over. He smashed a drone on purpose, patched it carelessly, and demanded a seed.
Good. Now it's my turn. Give me the seed.
But the seed Nolbu received was different. As the tree grew, it glitched and trembled.
AA, what is happening?
No. Why only me?
Beep, error, crash. Trash and bugs spilling out. Heungbu, who showed kindness, received blessings. But Nolbu, who was greedy, brought disaster upon himself.
Children always remember, the world gives back what you give to it.
Yes, kindness is the greatest treasure of all.